Why, hello there. And today we're going to go over how to count our money using a computer program. So we have a program pulled up here that's asking us how many pennies do you have. I'm going to say we have 3 pennies. How many nickels do we have? Let's say we have 1. How many dimes do we have? Let's just put in 1. Quarters, 1. Let's put in single dollar, a single $2, single $5. We'll put in 2 tens. Let's say we have 0 20s. We have, and let's say we have 150 and then finally one $100. And the computer says we have $178.43. So, what exactly happens behind the scenes that allows the computer to count the money like this? Because for you and me, you probably have to write this out on paper or use a calculator. And we're gonna actually get into what on earth is going on. Here is the program. It is 26 lines long. If we remove lines with nothing on them, then it goes down to 21 lines. Starting at the top of the code, we have an import statement. An import will allow the programmer to use different libraries in the code. A library is code that can be reused in various programs. In this case, the local library allows the program to show the value of our money in dollar bills after the computer is finished counting. Next up is the dictionary, which is called the hash map in other languages. The dictionary has one or more words, letters, or numbers that serve as keys to values. For example, the word pennies is a key to the value 0.01. After the dictionary, we have a variable called a sum that stores a number of the data type float. The float variable in programming is used to store whole numbers, decimals, and mixed numbers. In this case, sum will be used by the computer to count our money. Afterwards, we have a for loop. Our for loop will loop through every key in the dictionary. For each key, the variable amount will ask us for a number. For the first loop, it will access the key pennies and ask us, how many pennies do you have? Once we enter an amount, the computer multiplies the variable amount by the value that pennies points to, which in this case is 0.01. It is then added to sum. Process is repeated until all the keys are done. Finally, we have locale, which was imported at the top of the code. In this program, locale formats sum to be US dollars through the variable money. Money is then printed to the screen.